Sit comfortably on the mat. Cross your leg gently. Keep your spine stretched and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and take slow. Keep breath. This pose helps calm the mind and improve focus. Lay down on your stomach. Bend your knee and hold your ankles gently. Inhale and lift your chest and leg. Stretch upward. Hold the pose comfortably and breathe normally. This pose helps strengthen the back and improve flexibility. Stand with your feet wide apart. Stand your arm sideways. Bend your body gently to one side and touch your skin or ankle. Keep your chest open and gaze upward. This pose stretch the body and improve balance. Lay on your back with knee bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your arms beside your body. Slowly lift your hips upward while breathing in. Hold the pose comfortably. The pose stretch the spine and improve posture. Sit in a relaxed cross-leg position. Place your hand on your knee. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. The pose helps relax, stretch and relax the body. Keep stretched and slowly scoot down. Keep your hips on the ground if possible. Join the palms in front on your chest. Maintain balance and breathe slowly. The pose improves hips and ankle flexibility. Lay left on your back. Slowly lift your leg upward. Bring thumb behind your head. Support your body with your hands in needed. Hold the pose comfortably and breathe deeply. This pose stretches the spine and relaxes the nervous system. Stand, stretch and take a deep breath. Exhale and bend forward slowly from your hips. Relax your head and neck. Let your body stretch naturally. The pose helps release tension and improve flexibility. Thank you for practicing yoga with us today. Practice regular for better health and flexibility. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay healthy and stay clean.